Hello everyone and welcome again to another video here in my channel Cheerfuldev. I hope you are doing good, I hope you are doing well, and I hope you are having a beautiful weekend. Now this is going to be a quick video. I just want to talk about something that's going to happen this weekend, and it is the Global Game Jam, the world's largest game jam event in the world. So it's basically a game jam is where you will be able or where you will participate to create a game in a limited time. So let's say, for example, in this year the game jam it have 48 hours to create a game. So you will need to start a game with a team that will be launched pretty in hours right now, I think. So it will be 48 hours. So we have to create a game, a final project from the beginning with art, coding and everything until you finish the game and publish it. Now the goal of the game jam is not to create a beautiful shiny game, like polishing the game and doing everything. The goal of the game jam is to create a game and to move on and to make something. So you will have a theme that you need to follow, and your idea will be around this theme, and you are allowed to use any engine that you want, any design that you want, any type of everything that you want, as long as it follow the rules, right? This is basically how it goes. Now what is the reward, for example, in participating in a global game jam? Well, the reward will be different from any places that you will participate in, because the global game jam is different from all the other jam in the world. Now game jam, they are basically, or in general, you participate just remotely, right? So you sit at your home, you get the theme, you create the game, and you publish it in the game jam website, and people will vote for your game and stuff like this. But in the global game jam, you will need to go to a place where they host the game jam, and you will meet with other developers, other designers, visual effects creators, level designer, a lot of people, and you will get a lot of experience, and maybe you will get opportunity to find a job in something like this. Now the global game jam take place around the world at physical location, as I said. So the idea behind is that in today's heavily connected world, we could come together, be creative, share the experience, and express ourselves in a multitude of ways using video games. So it is very universal, as I said. So everyone participates in this game jam. So basically this is what is the global game jam. I will share with you guys when the game jam finish. I will share a video showing you what we will be able to create. I will cooperate with a friend, so we will team up to create a simple game just for these 48 hours. It will be good, it will be fun, and we will have some fun, guys, and I will show you what we will be creating, of course. And when we finish the game jam, we will return to our schedule, and we will continue with our tutorials, some Photoshop and some Unity, and we are going to start the Illustrator, guys, tutorial series. I hope you are hyped for them, all of them. If you are new to the channel here, hit the subscribe button. It will help me so much, and I will appreciate your help, guys. It supports the community, and like the video if you don't like what we are doing here, and hopefully see you guys in the next video.